Hi everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a free freelancer portfolio using Notion. So if you haven't heard of Notion yet, this is the AI workspace that works for you. It's like a Microsoft Office in one or Google Workspace in one, where you can create a lot of things, everything, I guess. Like from website, sheets, database, whatever. So yeah, and it's free. Check out the Notion link in my description section and create an account for free. So let's dive in. When you've already created a Notion account, this is how it looks like. So this is how the Notion dashboard looks like. So you have here the ask or find anything from your workspace and the recently visited pages and also upcoming events if you have connected your calendar to Notion and home views. So you can create a lot here. And in today's video, we will just focus on creating a freelancer portfolio so you can showcase your work as a freelancer. Okay, so here at the top, you can see this create a new page there. So if you want to start from scratch, you can just click that. All right, so let's create. Okay, so this is the blank page. And as you can see, you can add an icon, add a cover, or add a comment. And here are some tools you can get started with. You can get started. So if you want to write, research, meet, database, form, templates. So let's click templates because we are creating a portfolio. So let's search portfolio. Portfolio. There. So personal portfolio. Just use the free ones. Design portfolio. So just click a personal portfolio. Okay, and then you can just add that. You just preview first so you can check preview. Okay, so this is how it looks like. So it's very simple, it's very neat, it's very clean. It matches our goal to create a freelancer portfolio. Okay, so hello, I'm Jason Chin, and what are you doing about book a call? Okay, so let's use that. So you can just click add. Okay, the template is being added. We will let you know. Okay, so here, template is ready. You can just see the template. And then you can now edit that. For example, hello, I'm Novi Dizon. So you can just add your photo here. You can just delete that and add your photo. And then you tell, what do you do? So for me, I help startups. I'm a startup marketer, whatever. I help founders grow their SaaS. There you go. And then Notion there. So let's not bold. And then book a call. So you can just add your scheduling app there. So you can edit this button. Here, you can just put your link for the Calendly account here. I'll just put my Cal. This is my Cal link. So just paste it there. And you already have that. And then what are your skills? Notion, Google Sheets, Figma, Final Cut, Webflow, Python. And you can just add a new page. And then when they click that, you just add details here. Okay, so what are your projects? Just edit these. You can just edit those and your services. And then let's work together. So he added a form. Okay, just name and then submit. And then FAQ about you. So this is just a very simple Notion website or one-page portfolio where you can showcase who you are, your skills, and your projects, your services, and the call to action where you get the details of the client or your prospect. You can also add testimonials and visual. If you are someone who are into the creative side of freelancing, then you can just add photos or reels or videos within the template. That's how you create a free portfolio with Notion. So I've also created last time how to create a free portfolio using Canva. So let me know which one is better for you, a Notion portfolio or a Canva portfolio. Let me know in the comment and let me know what else would you like to see in this channel so it would give me an idea what to create next. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Till the next one, bye!